How to remove header and footer in Word document. So double click this header area, and in the header click on remove header, and same in the footer, remove footer, and click anyway. How to remove header and footer in Word document. So to close header and footer, or you need to remove it, double click here. To close, just click here, close header and footer, or double click in anywhere in your document. And if you want to remove it, so once double click this header or footer area, so here click on remove header and remove footer. So this is the way you can remove header and footer. Just you have to double click here